Hey everybody, this is Jyotsna Ramachandran here. One of my students from Author Success Academy reminded me today that it is World Book Day today, and I thought it will be a criminal offense if I do not make a video on writing books on this given day. So today, I thought in this live video, I'll be talking about the three divine signals that you would be getting, which will tell you that it is time that you become an author. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about today. So, what are these divine signals? Now, in life, we always keep getting messages and signals and hints from everybody around us. See, God cannot directly come and talk to us, but God or the universe or nature or whatever you call it will communicate to us through different channels. It could be different situations you are in, it could be different people you meet. So, we keep getting signals, we keep getting messages on what we need to be doing. People who listen to those signals act upon it and they get benefited out of it. People who do not listen to the signals just carry on with how their life has been going. So, if writing a book has ever crossed your mind but you've not taken action, then probably you should watch out for these three signals, these three divine signals that I'm going to be talking in today's video. Okay, so can I get some thumbs up and hearts just to make sure you guys are able to see me and hear me perfectly, all right? So please give me some comments so that I know you guys are able to listen. Fantastic. All right, so let me go ahead. So the first signal that I want to talk about is this. Many people have the same common problem that you have had in the past, but you have somehow figured out a solution, okay? Whereas they have not been able to figure out a solution. So this could be something that you should watch out for. By this, what I mean is that you've had challenges in your past which you've successfully overcome, okay? But other people who are going through the same problem are not able to overcome it. And you are seeing day in and day out that people are struggling through this issue. You want to help them, but you're somehow not able to reach out to many people and share your message. So it could be something like, let's take a health problem, right? Maybe throughout your life you've had heartburn and acid reflux, okay? And after suffering for 20 years, you finally realized it's because of your poor diet habits and your lifestyle. And then you went and did a lot of research on that topic. You changed your lifestyle, you changed your diet pattern, and now you've completely overcome that problem, okay? So that's something that you are really connected to because you've had that problem, you've suffered enough in your life, but now you've figured out a way to overcome that. And you're now seeing that people all around you, children, teenagers, people working in corporates, they are all going through this problem. Many people are suffering with this acid reflux kind of issues, digestion related issues, and you know that you have the problem with you have the solution with you. So what is the best way to communicate that solution to the whole world? By writing a book, right? So that's one signal that you can catch. The divine signal is that you've had a problem, but you've got the solution and now you're happy. But there are so many people out there going through that same problem in life, but they don't have a solution yet. So that is a divine signal telling you that you are the messenger. You need to go out and share that message with the world. And a good way to do that is by writing your book. So that's divine signal number one. So ask yourself if you've ever had this divine signal in your life. If yes, please let me know in the comments below as to what is that signal that you're able to see. What is that common problem that you're able to see in the world for which you have a solution? Okay, I would love to read your comments and figure out what kind of topics you could write your book on. Okay, so think about that and let me know. The second divine signal that you're probably getting but you've not understood it yet is that many people ask you for your advice. Okay, so it's not one person or two people coming to you and asking for advice, but multiple people have approached you to seek advice on the same problem. Okay, for example, you could be a fantastic parent and your kids are so well brought up, they are so well mannered, they are so nice, and they are very caring and empathetic, and all the other parents around you are so envious by seeing the way you've brought up your kids. And not just that, they keep coming and asking you for advice and solution to their problems. Maybe they are going through some teenage related problems with their children, and they want to ask you, how did you handle that problem? They have sibling rivalry happening in their house, and they want to come and ask you, how did you handle that? Because everybody knows that you've done a great job of parenting your kids. So multiple people come to you and ask for your advice. So that's my divine signal number 2, where many people are coming to you and asking for a solution to their problems. So if you keep getting requests or ask people asking you for advice multiple times, that shows that you probably have it in you to go and write a book on that topic, but you're just not paying enough attention to that signal, which is why you're procrastinating that idea of writing a book. Okay, so if that has ever happened to you, please type "it has happened to me" or "people are asking for my advice." Okay, so that's a good signal that you should now go ahead and write your book. So that's divine signal number 2. The divine signal number 3 is something that many of you must have experienced. People who are half as qualified as you, half as knowledgeable as you, are going and putting out some great content out there. They are writing books, they are posting videos, they are going on Instagram Live, they are making a noise in the world, giving solution to a problem. And you know for a fact that those people who are right now making their noise and creating all the buzz around that topic may not even know 10% of what you know. Okay, for example, say you've been running a social media agency for the last 10 years, you've been running Facebook ads for hundreds of clients, so you know in and out of Facebook ads. Okay, so because you've been pumping in lakhs and crores and millions of money into running ads for your company as well as your client's company, so you are definitely an expert at that. But you've only been focusing on your business and your clients, and you've not really spent time in teaching this subject to others. Okay, so that's okay, it's fair enough because you've been busy doing your business. However, now you notice that everybody wants to be a digital teacher, digital guru. So they run ads for a month and they assume that they know everything about running ads, and they write a book about Facebook marketing. Okay, how do you feel when you come across such books? You know that the content is more of fluff and not too much of valuable information, and you know the person speaking on YouTube every day is not really the authority, but they just assume, they just wear the hat of an expert, and they comment and they talk about that subject. So if that happens in your industry and you feel bad because you know that you know more than them, that is the third divine signal you should watch out for. You somewhere feel bad because you know that you can contribute more, you can serve more people than those people out there, but you've been keeping that to yourself and you've not really put that information out there. Okay, so that's the third divine signal which you must listen to and you must obey and go ahead and write your book. Okay, so as I was telling, God or the universe will not come directly and tell you that, hey, you have it in you to become an author. That will never happen. But through all these different clues and hints and messages, you need to figure out for yourself that you have it in you to write a book. So let me repeat the 3 divine signals once again. Okay, so if you have ever experienced any of these 3 divine signals, or at least have had that thought of writing a book pass your mind once, then it's high time that you take action. And what can be a better time than now to write a book? Okay, the whole world is shut down. Nobody is fully into their work and business. People are getting bored sitting at home. Instead of watching the television and news mindlessly for hours together, you could put your time and effort in really helping out others by writing a book, and thereby also taking your life and career to the next level. Okay, so there cannot be a better time, provided you pay attention to these 3 divine principles. Okay, the 3 signals are these. Let me repeat once again. The first one is that many people have the same common problem that you've had, but now you've overcome it through a solution that you found out, and you've done the research, you've figured out a solution for yourself. But many people are still struggling in the world, and you are the messenger now to go and help them. Okay, the second signal is that many people directly come to you and ask for your advice. They message you, they tweet to you, they ask for your advice because they know you're good at something, but you have not really recognized that you are good at it. So if that is a signal that comes to you, then you should write a book. And thirdly, there are so many people out there who are half as knowledgeable or half as qualified as you to talk about a topic, but they're anyway talking about it, they're making that noise. So now it's your duty to claim the expertise, to claim the authority in that subject, and go out and authentically help people. And a great way to do that is to write your book. So if you've resonated with this video, if it's given you like a wake-up call to go and write your book, then the next step you should be taking is to attend my webinar. Okay, so I do a weekly webinar every week. So tomorrow, if you're watching this video live, then you have the opportunity to attend it live tomorrow night at 8 p.m. So all you need to do is click the link below this video or just type askjyotsna.com and it will guide you to go and register for my webinar. If you're watching a recording of this live video that I'm doing right now, no problem. Just go and click the link below this video and it will tell you when is the next webinar, and please go ahead and sign up for that, because that can be the best next step you should be taking in your journey towards writing a book. Okay, so all the very best. Happy authoring, stay safe, and have a happy World Book Day. Bye bye.